Hi, my name is Michael Solito. I am the owner of AARDVARK Cleaning Company since 1986, cleaning homes and businesses. Our company offers a dry carpet cleaning system that is an all-natural dry system that will leave your carpets dry, disinfected, and deodorized, safe for children and pets. For your upholstery, we offer a low-moisture upholstery cleaning method using the Bond Schrader system. We also provide commercial floor cleaning such as stripping, waxing, and tile floor cleaning. For commercial cleaning, we are a complete janitorial cleaning company for all your cleaning needs. If you are moving in or out of a new home or an apartment or need construction cleanup, give us a call and we can get that done for you too. A new service that we offer now in this COVID-19 era is a disinfecting fogging service. We can clean and sanitize your office. We fog, disinfect, and wipe everything down for you as often as needed. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning company for your home, office, or commercial facility, give AARDVARK Cleaning Company a call for a free estimate. 570-629-8652. All work is guaranteed.